Hello everybody, this video is going to talk about how I make the deductions between -5 for not following prompt instructions and -10 for being late. I had a little bit of an issue last semester and I'm not going to go through that again. So let's take a look. All of your discussion board initial posts are going to be due on a Wednesday. So let's say that you had one due Wednesday the 3rd. You submit it. It's great. So 2 days later I finally can grade it because I have over 200 students. And I read everything because that's my job. I want to give you feedback. So I open up your discussion board prompt and it has to be double spaced. The topic sentence has to be highlighted in yellow. There should be no paraphrasing. So let's say that you did not highlight the topic sentence. I won't grade it. So I will give you a temporary 0, a -5 in the comment I send you, and it will say, please fix this discussion board. Please highlight the discussion board prompt and resubmit. Okay? So it was due the 3rd, now it's the 4th and the 5th. I am not going to deduct 20 points for being late because it's not. You just didn't follow instruction. So you'll have -5. You should be checking your email a lot, especially because that's not on me. So let's come to the 6th. That's another day. You should submit it to me by the 6th, so your temporary 0 goes away, and then I can grade it. However, I've had students in the past, I give them -5, and then 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, 4 days later they submit it. That's not happening. So you have -5 here. I'll give you -5 here. Then this is the first day you can get a return. I won't count it late. But look, the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th, that's -30. So you make sure that you're doing it properly. Make sure if you get an email from me, you fix the mistake then and there. I had a student say to me, well, I don't think it's fair that you mark it late because I already submitted it. If you're not following my instructions, I just give you a 0 and move on, but I don't want to do that. So for an essay, so let's say your essay is due on Sundays, always on Sundays, usually. Where's Sunday? So it's due on the 7th. I get to it on the 9th. You didn't highlight the thesis statements or the thesis statement or the paragraphs, similar to up here. So it's the 9th. I won't subtract 20. I'll put -5. I'll give you a temporary 0, -5. And then let's say you submit it the 10th. You have the 9th to the 10th to get it in. No. So you submit it on the 11th. So now you're going to lose 5 points for not following instructions and -10 now that it's late. And again, follow the instructions. You won't have to worry about this issue. Okay, everybody, I just want to let you know, and I think it would be easier for me to do it here in this video for you to understand. Thank you.